Now is the time to start creating quality and relevant content, which will do more than anything else. To make it easy on you, make it a step-by-step process. Create a template for your posts that will remain unpublished while serving as a valuable tool for organizing your website articles. This template will save you time and ensure you include all essential elements in your articles, which are as follows: title, introduction, embedded video link, embedded podcast audio link, article sections 4 to 5, summary, related articles, if any, and previous and next articles. After completing each article, you will produce a long-form video and a podcast episode. The placeholders in this template will assist you until you become proficient in creating both formats. Detailed instructions on this process can be found in other videos. It's advisable to structure your paragraphs with 3 sentences each, aiming for 4 to 5 paragraphs per section. Every third paragraph should incorporate a button directing readers to your email sign-up subscription page. Positioning these buttons regularly ensures that at least one is always accessible as readers navigate through your content. Initially, you may not have detailed articles to reference, but over time you will build a library of them. Ultimately, you aim to provide a comprehensive list of related content with detailed descriptions for each section. The final section of your article should offer links to the previous and next articles, a critical component for optimizing search engine visibility. As search engines index your site, ensuring that each article is easily discoverable is key to your success. Therefore, ensure each article connects to its successor, forming a continuous link as you publish additional articles. Now that you've written your first article, or 5, with associated but optional videos and podcasts, this next video is about that all-important next step: launching your fabulous website.